Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Designing a living room in bright colors is an exciting way to infuse the space with energy, vibrancy, and a sense of playfulness. By incorporating a spectrum of bold and cheerful hues, homeowners can create a lively and inviting atmosphere that reflects their personality and style. One of the key elements of a living room design in bright colors is choosing a vibrant color palette. Bold shades such as sunny yellows, vibrant oranges, electric blues, and lively greens can be used as the main colors or as accent pieces throughout the room. Mixing and matching complementary or contrasting colors can add depth and visual interest to the space. When using bright colors in a living room, it's essential to strike a balance and avoid overwhelming the space. The key is to use bright colors strategically as focal points or in small doses to create pops of excitement amidst a neutral or softer backdrop. For instance, a brightly colored sofa or accent chair can become a statement piece against a neutral wall or flooring. Adding patterns and textures can enhance the impact of bright colors in the living room. Incorporating patterned throw pillows, area rugs, or curtains with vibrant designs can elevate the overall aesthetic and create a dynamic and visually engaging space. Texture-rich elements, such as a plush rug or woven wall hangings, can further amplify the tactile appeal. Natural light plays a crucial role in showcasing bright colors. In a living room with ample sunlight, the colors will appear more vivid and vibrant. Consider using sheer or light-colored curtains to allow as much natural light as possible, as it can enhance the room's overall brightness. While embracing bright colors, it's essential to maintain harmony in the overall design. Neutral elements, like white walls or lightwood furniture, can act as a balancing counterpoint to the bold colors, creating a cohesive and harmonious living room design. Homeowners can personalize their living room in bright colors by incorporating artwork, decorative items, and plants. Colorful artwork can complement the color scheme and add a touch of sophistication. Decorative accessories, such as vibrant vases or eclectic sculptures, can further reinforce the living room's vibrant ambience. To avoid an overly busy appearance, it's advisable to limit the number of bright colors used and create a sense of unity through repetition. For instance, repeating a specific bright color in different areas of the living room can create a cohesive and well-designed look. In conclusion, a living room design in bright colors offers an opportunity to create a lively and expressive space that reflects the homeowner's personality and style. By carefully selecting a vibrant color palette, incorporating patterns and textures, and maintaining balance with neutral elements, homeowners can achieve a visually stunning and harmonious living room that exudes energy and joy. Embracing bright colors can transform the living room into a vibrant and inviting sanctuary for relaxation, entertaining, and self-expression. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!